This procedure will assist you with the unboxing and assembly of the Trek grill. Open the main box and remove the top packaging inserts. Remove the starter parts box. Open the starter parts box and remove the chimney, grease bucket, heat shield adjustment handle, and the tools and parts box. Remove all parts from the tools and parts box. Open the main box as shown. Open the grill lid and remove any packaging. Open the packaging and remove the heat shield, base grill grates, and grease tray. Using the included socket wrench, remove the handle bolts, handle spacers, and grill lid handle. Using the included socket wrench, attach the grill lid handle and heat transfer plate to the grill lid using 4 handle spacers and 2 handle bolts. Using the 10mm socket, remove the chimney bolts from the chimney as shown and save them for use in the next step. Insert chimney through the top opening of the grill as shown. Using the 10mm socket, attach the chimney using 3 chimney bolts. Important, make sure the chimney cap always stays open. Place the heat shield onto the slider mount brackets. Insert the heat shield adjustment handle into the hole on the right side of the grill and rotate it clockwise to tighten it into the heat shield. Caution, do not over-tighten the heat shield adjustment handle. Important, for proper heat shield positioning, use the marks on the adjustment handle. For even heat distribution, it is recommended that the right grill wall aligns with the 0 mark on the adjustment handle, setting the heat shield approximately 4.75 inches from the left wall inside the grill. Position the grease tray as shown with the half moon cutout on the left side and place the tray inside the grill. Note, make sure to insert the grease tray for proper temperature reading and grease drainage. Insert 2 base grill grates as shown. Close the grill lid. Attach the antenna to the control board. Hang the grease bucket on the drip spout. Congratulations, this completes the unboxing and assembly of the Trek grill.